Hello, welcome to my page. If this is your first time, please hit like, subscribe. Also, someone requested to see some Model T stuff, so I'm showing them an engine of a 1926. This one is in... I keep it inside the house because people are like, oh, you keep an engine inside your house? Well, when it's scrap metal and you live in an RV park, you sure the hell do. Yeah, this one's to a 1926. So this is in my parts part of the area. I need to get the hog head cover, but this one's a 26. No holes in the oil pan. It just needs to be completely rebuilt. But a lot of people overcharge for engine rebuilds on a 4-cylinder. They put the title, that one title, say it again, Expert. They put a Model T Expert, and then you're like, oh, how much is your engine rebuild? Oh, that's about $5,000. What the hell? I could go online and pay $1,000, get the whole car. And then you're gonna charge them for installing it. What a bunch of rips. But anywho, I need to have this bored a little more. You can see I tried boring it, but it didn't want to do for me. But it needs to be rethreaded, and then put some sparks in there. And now there's the original starter there, right there. You see. And then on this side, oh yeah, no, yeah, that's the starter. This side would be the Jenny. So, yeah, I just have to hook up that stuff. I have the part for the front, but you know, it's just something that would cost money that I don't have money for right now because YouTube just doesn't want to seem to take off quite yet. Oh, there's another thing. This is called your coil box. This one right here is from 1916, 15, and it was all connected like this on the inside. And there's one wire that goes from in here. That was your key right there, and then you go into there, and then it went to this, and they're all connected by a wire. The front. Let me flip it around and show you. There. And that's what it looked like, the coil box. And the coils were like the computer of the Model T. It controlled the firing order of the engine, which was cool. But pretty much, that's a 26. I'll tell you the difference is, look at this. The pedals are spaced a little differently. No, I got everything to rebuild the 26.